This is my What's up? Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon, good evening. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, kindly feel free to subscribe, like, share, leave a sweet comment. On today's video, it's a very special video over here, and I give much thanks to Almighty God for this blessing. It's really amazing, great, beautiful, fantastic, fabulous, awesome, and all good names, because today is a very nice day. So ensure subscribe. Remember, we're on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and of course, thank you so much for 24,000 subscribers. We are soon to 25. Village life. Hopefully, you won't give me a copyright. Behind here is my brother. He's doing some cleaning around here because my brother was trimming these flowers over here. And yeah, so have you subscribed? Yes or no? Just tell me. CJ, today I've subscribed to you. I really appreciate that comment. And also, let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. This video today is kind of on a mixed reaction because my plus one or my plus twos are not around today. They did a very awesome job, and then they left to a very special place where, if this video won't end here, I'll just take you to show you where they are. But anyway, let's focus on what we're doing today: grooming our home, and of course showing you one of the amazing stuffs around here. Please subscribe also to my wife Min Howie, and of course my brother here, Manu Claude, and of course my long lost brother Mugendi the Dreamer. Soon maybe I'll just go look for my brother, because I don't know, we have got lost with him. Me and my brother Mugendi have got lost like couple of months. It's almost half a year without seeing each other face to face, because since everything went south, he just decided to quit, but not really quitting on YouTube, but he just decided to go low so that he can just heal and do his own stuff well. So he went to Tanzania, and he's just like with me. I went to Mombasa, and of course he is just going, but we always call each other on phone, but seeing each other, it has been long, for sure, very long. But let's put that story aside. Today it's a very still. My brother was trimming this kind of flowers, but still he hasn't finished. He told me, oh man, I got tired, and he got cold, because he always, I can say the entire community, because mostly this is his work, and he always work from one place to another place, and of course he works not for free, he always work for money. So over here it was like he just come to do it for just as a bonus. So he always come here in the evening, and also maybe in the morning when he has no place to go. Like today is a Saturday, he has to rush to the church. He wants to go groom the church and come back. Hopefully he'll just come and finish. But this is what you see, what he has done. He trimmed the other ones and left the other ones, and yeah, so what is remaining today at this place is only this number line. I think this will come and finish it, and also some days you want to focus on this one. So you can see the difference between this and this one over here, you know. So you can just tell from also this pillar. Is it how do you call this? The mathematicians, how do you call this kind of a block? Is it a block or a circular something? Find the area of this, or find the circumference or the perimeter, something like that. Yeah, I'm also a mathematician, but also sometimes, things usually, sometimes things usually go on aside. You cannot just have all stuffs, cram it on your head. And this is my young brother Manu. Hope to introduce himself, but for now he's sweeping and doing other stuff. So see, a lot has been happening. This is our dog. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Bring your hand, man. Bring your hand. Good morning. How are you? You good? Okay, man. Yeah, that's our beautiful dog. Soothe. We call it Soothe. Yeah, so over here, see a lot of leaves that just trimmed from this point to the other end. One of the beautiful part of this amazing, beautiful place. So I'll take you also in our 2-bedroom house. But before that, this is before she left. I don't know. Nani alikata hii mti? Nani? Wewe ulipanda ukakata mti? Nani? Faith. Mwenyewe. Ndio ulipanda ukakata. Guys, it's crazy. I mean, Howie, my wife, decided to see. Let me show you something crazy. There was a tree here. That was creating some shade. So she used this kind of a ladder to go up, cut the tip of the tree, and then she planted here some kales. She planted the whole land that we were expecting to plant grass. She planted what we call like kales, in which it's a very nice, as a woman who have a home, she must have a place where she plants what we call like her kitchen garden. So this is her kitchen garden. Not only this, I'll just take you also to another place where she did this, but unfortunately she's not around, man. Where is my wife right now? Let's just take this time and then I'll just show you where she is, maybe if this video won't end here. So this is what she did. She decided to do this. You know, most people don't know that she can work. Most people, you know, they don't trust her that, can you even have a djembe to dig? Look guys, she had a djembe and she did this over here and planted some kales. There's some seedlings I brought her, and because that day, like, I've been so much busy. Last 6 days I've been very, very, very busy. Waking up early, very, very early. Not only early, but waking up very, very early. Coming late in the house, like even 9 or 8 something. The latest that I come, it's 7. The earlier I come is 7 p.m. But there's other time 8, 9, man. Sometimes being in the village, it's always busy. Yeah, so I brought her those seedlings and I told her I'll just come and help her to plant. But because she saw mercy on me and she was so pity, and we were like, let her plant. So she told me that she's going to do it on her own. So yeah, which is a very, very good thing. That's the neighbor's dog. So this other place, it was planted grass. So I'll come some days and then we want to be doing it like this. We remove this unwanted plant and then we remain with this kind of clean grass. You see this one? It's a beautiful clean grass. So we'll be removing this one, that one over there, that one. Just removing this so that we can have just the clean grass. But for now, it's a lot of things, and I'm so very much happy for this kind of a tree. It has really grown, and the person who really sold it to me said that this tree grows big. I've never seen it on my own how big it is, but according to how it grows, very, very, very fast. Very, very, very fast. Let me know at the comment what kind of a tree. I don't know its name. I don't know the name of this tree, but this is how it looks like. You know, even my brother Jacob usually tells me that tree grows very big, and it grows fast, and it's a hardwood also, I think, but it looks soft. You know, this one looks stunted because they decided to cut the tip of the bit. And also we have those over there. We have another cypress over there, another cypress over here. One thing I love about the cypress is this kind of trees, is that they always create a certain sound, and they smell very nice. They always create a certain sound when the wind blows. It's like they're whistling. At some point they always whistle. So that's when I planted them. And also on our dreamland over there, I decided to plant some But what I really need is to plant, if it's not a medicinal tree, maybe it's a fruit tree. That's my dream. If it's not a medicinal tree, maybe a fruit tree. That's what I'm working on. And there's some beautiful flowers. They're called rose flowers. Yes, guys, so this is my young brother Manu. Today he decided to work. Yes, man, introduce yourself.
What's up, guys? Come back to the village here, and that Claude YouTube channel there. Subscribe there, like, share, leave us a comment. My name is Claude. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Road to 2K subscribers, photos on the showers. Now I'm doing work here, like I'm working. I'm cleaning the compound. So after this, I'll be chilling.
You'll be chilling.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, he's just doing some thorough cleaning around here today because it's also a weekend. So it's her work to work today so that to break the boredom. Because during the week he was always at school. So today he decided like just to clean and yeah. What's wrong? What's wrong? Jump. No. Look. So the work of sorry I clicked it, guys. And also we have some crazy fruit. This one, this kind of fruit, it's called the soursop. So they always get ready and fast go down. Like this one is almost ready. I think by evening I'll just harvest it because now the tree is now the tree now is doing what you call like oh my god, the tree now is slippery, you know. So let's wait and see. Okay, yeah. This house today, oh my god, this house today without Maria crying in here, with wife making a lot of hey you hey. So yeah, guys, we are inside here, and this is our beautiful around. For the new subscribers, we have this one called a bulletproof house. Outside house, the whole house is a mud house, but mostly tried to renovate it and just try to do what we can just to be in the city or to be where we can, at least in the village, to show that also in the village we can have something like this. Not only, you know, most people usually say that in some African village or in Africa people are dying, they live in bushes. But sometimes we accept that because there is where maybe our ancestors were. So maybe when they came, the people who wrote history, they wrote it in that point. So those who are reading it still up till now, they always think that those people live in such kind of situation. So most people usually fear to come even to Africa because those days back, also there used to be those soldiers who used to fight in the world wars. When they go back, they used to go with diseases, maybe like tuberculosis. There's also, we call it African savanna diseases, such kind of that. So most people, when they read that kind of history, they always think that still those diseases exist and there's no cure for those kind of diseases. That's why they always say so. And of course, that's a wrong mentality. So because me, I always say this one thing. Always feel free to come to Africa. It's the motherland, and also it's a very beautiful country. Africa is a continent. Also, when you come to my country, Kenya, visit Africa. It's a very nice continent with full of life. No diseases as maybe those people who wrote in history, and also we always say it's just a chilling. It depends with the place where you go. If you come to Kenya, and also it depends with the people who you socialize with. So when you come, it's a very nice. You can enjoy the savannah land. You can enjoy the big five over around here. You can just cross by also to Tanzania. It's you just move around Africa. You see how Mother Africa is, not like before when it used to be a very big bare land. Yes, proud of Africa, and also I'm very proud of Africa. And also welcome, also my urge is to welcome you all guys to come to Africa. And Africa is Africa. Waka waka. it's amazing and beautiful. So yeah, this house we started building it in 2019, and most they used to say, why are you building this kind of house? And also even the engineer himself, sometimes I could tell him to do this when I'm far away. I could come and find that they have done what they have done with my dad. So because my dad used to fear, he fears when you start and then you fail to finish. So my dad was telling the engineer, no, this house is big. So with us, we have used to have a sitting room and a bedroom. That's the biggest house actually. And in other houses, you might find that it's the room like this is the bedroom, is the sitting room. It becomes like a bed sitter as a Simba. We call them a Simba. Simba is a house that maybe a boy is isolated from parents and is being given that kind of a house where you find that it's only a single room where you have your bed and maybe 2 chairs. It's enough. So when I came with an idea of telling my father that, hey, I want to build a 3-bedroom house and want the rooms to be spacious, so he started laughing at me and saying, man, you're just hustling, you're not employed, you are not you don't have payroll, so how are you going to build this? But the good thing is I was doing this with my brother Jacob, the one who trains flowers. I used to buy iron sheets. I used to send him money. He buys iron sheets. He keeps to the hardware, and also nails. Another thing is I have already bought trees. I bought trees, and then my dad, just that behind my dad. So and then it was a time, he told me, you don't have this, you don't have this. So I told him, no, I have already done this and this. So also the trees. So he was so happy about that. But now he had a fear of having it be too big because he thought I won't finish it. But who is God? I did it. I started building it. At first, the iron sheet got. I bought around 40 iron sheets that were inside, and then they needed 8 more. Was it 8 more or 14 more iron sheets? So my dad was telling me, I told you, but who is God? I finished. Because the funny thing is, you cannot roof a house at one side. The other side, if you're not well prepared, the other what we call like iron sheets can cover the other woods, and the other woods can get rotten. So I really avoided that. But I thank God, everything is this all is the, go check it on my previous videos, just Joseph mud house or bulletproof house. You will be able to see how this journey is until to date. We are here. And also I'm very much grateful for Miss Pinky. Miss Pinky supported me doing this, and her dream was to see me having a very big TV here. But unfortunately, we haven't installed power, so I decided to go with the TV in my Airbnb. There is where hell broke its gates, and then the 65-inch Samsung TV was stolen. So nowadays I always watch my guitar, play a little bit, some lullaby to Maria, sing my song, praise God, and it's well. So yeah, but I'm really, really much sorry, Miss Pinky. Everything is good. Still we are here and there. Hopefully we buy it one day, you know. Yeah, so I'll show you what's happening. I have breakfast because if my wife was here, she could have already said, CJ, where are you? Have you taken breakfast? For now, I have just to do it on my own. The good thing is we have it over here, and it's a lot. Oh my God, it's plenty of breakfast. Come on, plenty of breakfast. Just like that, you know. For sure, a house without a wife or a child, you know, I'm used to them. So like now I could have had Maria gargling over there, my wife saying something, hey you, I don't know what caused what went wrong, something like that. But they haven't gone far. They just went to visit somewhere, not very far, but around, and then we want to see. All right, so these are Nani? Jay, isn't it Ndizi? Miogo. Hey guys, these people love nini? Cassava. Oh my god, have you ever seen roasted cassava? I think maybe they're I thought they're na nyinyi mmekula? Sawa. Na bibi? Oh, jamka? Sawa. Hai. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, amen. Oh God, bless us with the food we're going to take. We have energy to serve you, amen. So guys, me, I'm eating in the kitchen, and then I want to see what's happening. Let me just try it. Okay, this is roasted. This reminds me of my grandma. My grandma used to roast this kind of cassava, and then we eat it lunch when we're going back to school. They're very sweet. Long live grandma. And maybe on the next video I'll just show you her state, you know. I'm planning to buy her a wheelchair, because for now I don't see even she's much okay. So I'm planning to buy her a wheelchair now. So for now it's already a wheelchair, so that she can maneuver around, she can be pushed around. So the moment I'll buy a wheelchair, I'll just make maybe the ramp for her to be easier to go in and out, because in the face and other parts she's much okay. Right now the legs has become in another country. She's feeling bad in the legs, so I usually carry her out. Like now I want to carry her out in the evening when I'm not around. Maybe the neighbor will come and help her in, or I just rush from where I am to come carry her in. So that's the business. Or my sister, something like that. It's tea with milk. Alright guys, let me have this breakfast, then we wanna see what we're doing, okay? See you. Remember this environment, my wife Rain decided to just come to this area over here. If you know, you know. Kindly comment down below and tell me, where are we? Where are we? For those who have been following us keenly, this is where my wife Rain and decided to come and chill. And I just decided to follow up, run, because yesterday it was crazy. It rained and I've been so much tired running up and down, some errands, raining, fixing some stuff around. But she'll just tell us where she ran from the house to this other side, right? So I can't wait to introduce her to you. Hey, hey, you're
Guys,
glowing.
oh my God.
Me, I'm tired.
You're tired, I know.
I'm tired seeing, like, I've been looking all around, but we'll be like,
Hey, you look tired though. Yeah. And it's half a day, guys. He's very tired. He woke up very early in the morning, around 5. So, and he was been running some errands, and then he's come here to see me. I don't know. You've come for me.
anyway.
Have you
First
come
of
for
all,
me?
why did you run?
I
Explain.
needed to breastfeed too.
Explain.
I wanted to breastfeed, guys. My mom is here, so I wanted to breastfeed. So I came so that I can breastfeed.
Everybody wanted to be with her mama.
Yeah, I wanted to be with my mom. Oh my God, guys. Yeah, not being with my mom is like, I've not seen her in a while, so I was like, I wanted to breastfeed a bit. You know, I'm also her baby, you know, and I'm a small girl. Yeah, so I wanted to, and so that Maria can also breastfeed, you know, all of us, it was like, yeah. Yeah, so.
Anyway, I've missed you a lot.
I've missed you too.
But everything has been so much okay. We give much thanks to Almighty God.
Yeah.
The house is just very nice. And I'm so much happy also to be back environment.
Yeah.
It has been so much nice and chilling. Actually, there's a river down below, right? There's a stream over here. And I decided, man, it's good for me also to come back and enjoy. And also to run some errands with the big boy. So they ran to this side.
Come to the big boy. Big boy, say hi.
Hi. How are you?
Fine.
You happy here?
Yes.
You good?
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
What about school?
I'm fine.
You fine? The big boy ran back. Yeah, so it has been so nice. Give us a story. Why, and then how do you see the environment and everything?
Well, I like it here because it's normally very. I think there's a lot of noise at the back. I don't know if that's.
It will filter. Maybe there's some timber lumbering down below at the stream, which is good and great because there's somebody maybe constructing somewhere because we love construction. Yeah, so everything has been nice, good. Maybe people can say, hey, this boy, maybe we had a fight.
Has mom said hi here?
No, she hasn't said
Okay,
hi.
she'll be saying, Mommy,
Come
Mom,
on, come on. No.
do you want to say hi?
Not now. No. Stop it.
She will. Okay, say something.
Oh, wow. What a nice afternoon. How are you? I'm good. I'm village life with Billy. Very serious in my village, in my home of yes. Right now, one reaction in my visitors, my daughter and her husband, my family, and for the gifts of my a newborn in my family, who is also a blessing. They have added my territory. And I think God is terribly and greatly encouraging us and even making us grow great. We've gone beyond the boundary. We've overcome much through His grace. Feel that we still need to be covered in Him.
Move a bit closer. Yeah.
So as a matter of fact, I only stepped down somehow. Just on my channel. Soon I'll be back in full force. So my viewers, please be encouraged that I've not gone away completely. I'm preparing to come in a very big way.
In a very big way.
I'm telling
Are
you.
you
Guys,
channel?
yeah, my mom lost her teeth somewhere, so she says she can't do her videos until she fixes that. So she'll soon.
I'm even shying off.
Yeah, she's shy doing videos, but she will have a fix, the teeth fixed soon.
Very
So
soon,
don't worry.
I'm somewhere, I'm preparing. Please.
Yeah, she's preparing on how to do it. Yeah.
I'll attack this channel in a very wonderful way.
She will attack it in a very
I'll
wonderful.
attack it.
Very
So how
wonderful.
are you feeling?
Oh, I've been feeling. I'm still feeling so good. I've been preparing on so good. I've been doing wonderful through His grace, and indeed I'm grateful and thankful for His and His
Masses.
Yeah.
And now, grandchild, what are you feeling?
The
Oh,
reaction
one thing.
towards-
The grandchild is named after me. A teacher.
A teacher.
Myself. So that is one wonderful thing that I'm happy about. Not even happy about the name. That I'm happy that I have a grandchild. I'm happy for this.
Yeah,
young
her
family.
traditional name. Yeah, she has
Kemunto.
Kemunto.
That
yeah.
is me.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Now that I'm Kemunto, there are other more Kemuntos. This is one who has also added to that list of the Kemuntos.
Yeah.
So with us here, we have no other thing to say but to say God thank you, to thank Him abundantly for His wonderful grace that is sufficient in us, and we cannot complain. We
Okay.
are grateful.
Yeah, so guys, we came to see Mama, and now I came to see my mom, and then he came after me. So we are just here, all of us. He's also the mom now. You know?
Yeah.
She's the mom too. Yeah, so we're happy to see you. Happy to be back. Thank you for all that you've done, all being there. Your prayers, guys. Mama's been my prayer warrior. She has a prayer room where she just goes and prays, goes on her knees and prays for all of us. So I'm super grateful for you. I don't take you for granted. I want
Please
you to know
don't.
that.
Please don't.
I do not.
You shouldn't.
And I love you and appreciate you so much.
Yes.
Even just seeing you here, just coming to see you.
My presence.
Yeah, it's so
Matters a
heartwarming.
lot, yeah.
I'm telling you.
It's so heartwarming.
When I'm not in this company, she doesn't call in.
I don't. Just come to see a few things, then go. See a few things, then go.
Then
But
go, yeah.
when she's here, I can even come and stay like the whole day. But now,
Yeah.
most of the time, she's in the village where she started her channel, Village Life with Dina. So also that's our home. So like we have like now a lot of homes, and we are grateful to God for that.
Indeed.
Yeah.
The hot seat from
Yeah.
until
yeah.
now. Again.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
the hot seat where you were put on a hot seat.
yeah, but now, guys, we are so much happy for the new subscribers. This is our mother-in-law. Yeah, she has been with us over here, and then she's also a content creator
Yeah,
by
Village
the
Life with Dina.
Village Life with Dina. Yeah, she's the mom to Main Howie over
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
and also mom to CJ over
Yeah,
here. So,
yeah.
Mom, I'm so much grateful to be with you again around here. It has been, I know it has been so much, what we call like without meeting you, but we know spiritually we are together.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also through calls and everything. Yeah. So thank you so much. I'm taking this time to be grateful and say thank you again. And thank you for welcoming us.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
yeah, thank you.
Now that you are around, I think we need to talk much about my content, my channel. And you know, your distance, this distance was there between us. Even made me to feel that
When you're in
No
Mombasa,
motivation. No motivation.
no motivation, no motivation.
Zero motivation.
There was zero motivation. So now that you are around, I'm picking up in a big way. I assure you.
Okay.
Soon I'll fix my teeth, if you believe. Then we shall
We'll
see.
kick it from there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so guys, we are going to be heading in to eat. We are cooking. Almost done. I was cooking and I'm almost done. Yeah. So let me prepare, then you guys eat, then we'll catch up with you later as we exit. Because we are leaving today, guys. So yeah.
Thank you guys, and thank you guys. Please subscribe to Village Life with Dina.
Please
She's on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and
Yeah.
also to Min Howie over here.
Yeah.
I will see you after.
Okay.
This. Alright. Yeah, so guys, this is how everything is. You know, this place has a lot of greenery. The nature itself. There's a stream down below. I don't know if I'd be able to show you, but let's jump there and show you what's happening on this side. Because there's a day that I was coming down here, and then lost my phone. Actually, it went inside, and then I had to repair it again. So I always fear to go near this, but it's a very nice chilling spot over here. You see there? Very nice stream. Listen to that water. Oh man, it's streaming nicely. No. The oozing of water. So, but also we have some sugar cane over here. But anyway, I have to respect that because this is my mother-in-law's place. For those who don't know, that's my mom-in-law. You know, the mother to Min Howie. Don't mind about my face, guys. I'm very tired. I was running some errands, running up and down, coming from Min Howie over here. So yeah, so things have been so nice greatly, and I really appreciate your love and support for always supporting CJ over here. And also, I never came alone. I came with True Boy. True Boy, come say hi. He's just over there because we have been just running, doing some surround, doing some great time, and just cherishing this moment because me and Harry came here because mom was also around here, and we were like, oh, it's nice to just come, and she said, oh, it's nice to come and just to visit. And one thing I love about this place is how green, quiet this place is, despite the timber lumbering, which is just for a couple of hours, and it will be done. But anyway, this is the place, chilling, relaxing, enjoying, and feeling free, feeling okay, feeling much blessed to be around here. So I'll be sharing with you how everything is, but before that, must have a greeting to True Boy over here. Man,
Yes,
good morning.
it's already good afternoon. But on the other side, you can also say good morning, depending where these people are watching us from. So, welcome to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. Here we are, and I thank God for this day. It's one of the best because I've met people who maybe I've never, and I thank because they welcomed us very well, and I thank God so much. So with me, I will just wish you happy Mother's Day to all our mamas. Feel blessed, and may God keep blessing you more and more, grant you long life anyway. So this is Mr. True Boy 208 over here. I'm so happy to be with you all guys who are watching us. We love you so much. To those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please visit my channel, road to 5,000 subscribers. Take me there and I will appreciate so much. You are the best and we love you all. Thank you.
Ensure subscribe. Actually, even the powers have gone off. So ensure subscribe to True Boy. He's also a very good content creator. Despite what YouTube terms that has done for us right now, but it's so much. We have to try, because without trying you can't make it. You have to try to know that if it's good or bad. But anyway, also happy Mother's Day, as True Boy has said. Happy Mother's Day to all mamas. You know me, sometimes I'm tired, even I'm forgetting these things, because this video started long time yesterday and today and the other time. But I give much thanks to you all. Ensure subscribe as always. We are going to end this video here. I'm not going to be showing much, but just to update about you that we have gotten our wife. She's around here. And yeah, I'm keeping praying to you guys, and also keep on praying for us. Road to 30,000 subscribers, creating more contents, real life in the village, showcasing everything around. Be blessed and bye bye. Much love from CJ. You know, love you.